Okay, so the fifth step in my saber routine is to keep that light in that says light snap, and that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to the top of my backswing, let the ball drop, and then snap it through. Back of the swing, snap it through. So I'm feeling the saber vertical at this point and still loading on that thumb and snapping it through to the exact same location on the other side. If you tend to hook the ball, you've come to this side and you've rolled your wrist. If you slice the ball, you've come to this side and you've cupped it back this way. So what I like to feel is the thumb is exactly on this side of the saber on the follow-through side, which is symmetrical to the position on the backswing. So I work on symmetry, getting the saber vertical, getting my left thumb right here, snap it through to the other side, finish on this side. So that's the fifth step in my saber warm-up routine.